Hello, my partners and tutor. An activity task for speaking assignment by Dagoberto Loaiza and Group 1970 and 8. English Level 4. My tutor is Lika Gobronice. Okay. This is me, Dagoberto Loaiza, and student and bachelor and mathematics. Okay. And come on, here is. And if it technology on the environment. The following is thinking and it will all collaborate is possible to live in a better world. Okay, that is the pictures and our planet, our home, our planets and our lands is very beautiful, very paradise. How to see? Okay. Okay, our planet, our air, our home. And this is 3 pictures and let's to see our planets. We planets in this moment and will be and where's will be us tomorrow, the planets. And Alexa's question. Okay, and then the human being and the forest and jungle disappear and there is animal. Okay, and it will explain the following way. And the human being is the principal consumers of resource. It's the principal, the human being on our planets. Okay, and the picture second, forest and jungle disappearing in the forest deserts. Okay, and indigenous animal and extinct animal for the man, the principal hunter, and different species disappears at the planets. Okay, and other 3 pictures and to grow population is very grow population. For example, China and India and the consumers and the foods and the problems and worse level. Other problem is the contaminations and our rivers and our oceans and our factories and contaminates our waters. Okay, and other global climate change, and and generates problems and our planets. Okay, and okay, it is problematic. Is necessary an urgency with sustainable development is the only for one. Okay, how to mitigate environmental damage? For this is necessary use renewable resources and recycling and technologies with conservation and protection on the environment. And here in this point is innovation. Okay, with technology and environment and innovation and progress. Okay, another make it as a way that we are responsible the man and the women and the children and the universities and the we are irresponsible. Conclusions of these technologies effects on the environment. Nature inspired progress and innovation and since technology is part of the solution and the not problem, the resources improve on all lists and qualities of lights. Okay. Finish is will collaborate impossible to live in a very world, and everybody is collaboration is the very solutions, but collaborate. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Bye bye class, bye tutorial, thank you.